Hey up guys, just doing this post because it's going to go on to another one. Just been going through my phone because loads of different projects which we've done. I'm going to post my favourite. It's already a video which goes on, which tells you different things about the prep and things like that. So hopefully you guys out there like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also you can follow us on Facebook, Matthew Taylor Talent Services. Yeah, more the merrier. We're up to over 1,000 now on the Facebook page. So yeah, with the project what's coming up, there's all details there of what we've done with the prep, boarding, underfloor heating, levelling, things like that. Any questions, just get in touch, drop us a message. Be happy to help you guys. So yeah, keep posted, keep looking out for some more videos, and we'll be posting as frequently as we can. Alright, cheers, bye.
Bigger than the ocean, I'm in the sunshine state of mind. I want this feeling forever. You are the summer of my life. I'll be bigger than the ocean. I'm in the sunshine state of mind. I want this feeling forever. You are the summer of my life.
Hope you all liked that video guys. Hopefully give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and keep having a look through. Like I said, any questions and out, we'll be pleased to help you with. Alright, keep following us. Cheers guys.